a basic review of microscope use. So the microscope should always be stored with the stage all the way down and the dissecting lens, which says 4 on it for a total magnification of 40. The low power says 10 for a total magnification of 100 because the eyepiece is 10. And then high power says 40 on it for a total magnification of 400. Never use the coarse adjustment when you have the high power in place. So to start off, you will plug the microscope in, make sure that it's on the dissecting lens. You will put the slide on the stage, pull back gently on the arm, and fit the slide in. And turn it on. And make sure to open the diaphragm so that there's lights coming in. You can see that there's no light coming through. Diaphragm's open and the light is on. So at this point, you would want to put the object that you wish to view in the middle of the light so that it's under your objective, directly under there. Now, if it's something you can't see, such as a high magnification calibration dot, or it's not stained and you can't really see, go to an area that you can see, such as the edge of the cover slip. Now, to get it into focus, you raise the stage all the way up under the dissecting lens by using your coarse adjustment so that the stage is at its highest point. Now, while looking through the eyepiece, then when it's in focus, you move the stage so that you can scan and see the object that you're looking for. So once it's in focus, because these are parafocal microscopes, when you go to the low power objective, which has 10 on it, you should be almost perfectly in focus. Now this is very important. The object that you're trying to view, you need to put it exactly in the center and make sure it's clearly in focus under low power before going to high power. Again, because these are parafocal, you don't need to touch the stage. Also, notice the high power lens. See how the edge goes up? Don't do this, but it moves. That prevents it from breaking. If it digs into the slide, obviously, call me over and I will fix the situation. So when you're under high power, you're never going to use the coarse adjustment because you can see how close the objective is to the slide. This is also why you never want to remove the slide while you're under high or even low power. You should go to the dissecting lens and bring the stage all the way down, because that gives you the most clearance for removing the slide.
Yes, it is. That's why I'm not saying anything.